Hello, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. This is Net Solution. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can write the project in scientific computing with Python. That is freecodecamp. How you can write a project in freecodecamp without even having a knowledge on how to code. Okay, how you can write a project and successfully complete the project without having a knowledge on how to code or without even taking their courses. Here is their courses. Okay, here is their courses. I will show you guys the easiest way you can write a project. Like I want to write this project time calculator. Okay, how you can write a project on time calculator. Okay, time calculator, how you can write this project and successfully submit it without having much knowledge as a programmer, without even knowing what to code. Okay, I'll show you guys how you can write this and submit so you can achieve your certificate. Okay, in case if you don't know the freecodecamp is an organization created, and they normally publish a tutorial videos teaching you how to code, how to program, and many other things. Okay, they teach that and they issue free certificates after you must have completed their courses. Maybe you have taken their courses and then find it difficult to do some of their assignments, just like it did me sometime, but I later solved my okay. Maybe you take their courses or you felt like maybe you know Python already, you don't have time to take their courses but you need a certificate and then you want to complete this course. Just follow this step. Okay, in this few steps I will show you now, you can complete their project and then pass all of them without any error or without any wasting of time or something like that. Okay, now I want to write time calculator. Now on time calculator, here is where I'm going to click so I can access their replay starter. Okay, they says you will be working on this project with our replay starter code. Okay, now I'm showing you guys the easiest way you can write this project without scratching your brain. Okay, without wasting much of your time. That is what I want to show you, the easiest way. Okay, now I click on this and wait for it to open. Okay, now it's importing their project. Okay, just click on import from GitHub. Then wait for it to load a little bit. First, this is Net Solution. In case if you find this video helpful, I would like you to click on that like button. Okay, click on the like button to encourage me the more, and then you can also follow me up by clicking on the subscription button. Okay, click on the subscription button if you want to follow me up, because more tutorials are coming up. Okay, you can click on the subscription button to follow me up. Subscription is for free, you don't have to pay, it's for free. Just click there to follow me up, and then you can click on that like button. If you find this video helpful, click on the like button, because it will encourage me. I will be like, oh wow, people are liking my video, I think I should make more videos. Okay, the like encourages me more to make more videos. But if I'm seeing dislike, or maybe many are watching without liking, I'll be like, maybe I should change pattern, maybe I should change, I should stop teaching on this part and go to this part. Okay, now if you find the video helpful, just do it now. Okay, right now click on the like button right down there. Okay, and you can also follow me up. By clicking on the subscription button. Okay, it has opened. Now you have to click on use run command, then click on done. Okay, now our project is ready. Okay, here is the main.py. Okay, here this is the code that will run when once you run this. Okay, this is the code that will run once you run this. This is the main.py. This is the test model. This is the test model. This model, this is where everything is written that will be able to test your code. Okay, for instance, the time calculator, here is where you type in the block of code. Just type in your code everything in here, and the test model will test your code, and then main.py will run the two of them. Test model will present the things needed, and the main.py will run the program. Okay, using on main.py, here is the from time calculator import add time. Okay, here is the time calculator. Is importing this as a model, okay. So this is where everything will run. This is the one that will run everything, using the test model to test the block of codes. Okay, now I want to show you guys the easiest way you can write the codes. The easiest way you can write any code on any code at all, and then present them and take your certificate. Okay, I will show you guys how you can do that without having knowledge much on that. Okay, but I will not advise you to use that pattern. I will not advise you. Okay, I will not advise you to use this pattern. Okay, because this pattern will make you to be dull. It will make you to be dull in programming. While using this pattern to complete this assignment, you might miss this project someday, and then you won't know how you can settle it. So it's better you crack your brain and do this assignment. But I'm giving you the guidelines or the easiest way of how you can do it and succeed. Okay, but you can implement this and then take this to another level, and take it to another level. Okay, now let us continue. Now to do that, we are going to use ChatGPT to write this code. Using ChatGPT, we will write this code and then paste it here. Okay, now first, what are we to do? We are going to go to ChatGPT. Let's say chat.openai.com. Okay, now here we are going to let ChatGPT know that we have a project for him. I have a Python project for you. Okay, now let him know I will provide the main.py and the tests and the test model .py. Then they write the code for time. Okay, hope you understand what we said here. I'll provide the main.py and the test model. Then you write the block of code for me on the time calculator. Okay, now here is it. This is the main.py, and here is the blocks of code on the main.py, and this is the test model. This is the test model, and here this is all the block of code on test model. Then this is time calculator, where you will write in your code. I told ChatGPT I'll provide this and provide this, then you write this. Okay, that's what happened there. First, I'm going to give ChatGPT the question. Here is the question. I'll stop here. Ctrl+C to copy, then come back to ChatGPT and then paste the question and give space. Then let ChatGPT know that this is the question of what the question of the project. Okay. Okay, ChatGPT is writing the code. It's writing the code for us. Okay, ChatGPT have written the code. but we are not sure if this code is correct. This code might not be correct until you provide some certain things. Okay, even if I copy this code, let's say if I copy this code and then paste it here, let's check if the code will be correct. It might be correct. First we need to clear this, then paste in our code. Okay, let's run this and check if it will be correct. Run. Run 12 times. I don't know if it is done. It's not done. It's not correct. The thing is hanging. It's not correct. Okay, now to be a more safer side, okay, let me run it again. You can see now, to be a more safer side, you are going to provide the main.py. okay, copy, go to ChatGPT, paste it, give space. Here is the main.py. Here is the main.py. Click on enter, then come back here and copy test model. Okay, Control A to copy everything, then Control A to select everything, then Control C to copy. I have copied it. Then back here I'll paste it here and let ChatGPT know that this is the test model. This is the test model.py. okay, now let's tell ChatGPT that using the test model and the main.py now generates the time calculator. Okay, okay, click on send. Okay, now ChatGPT is now writing the code for us. It's giving us the code in short form. Let's let him know. Write the full code. Okay, here is the full code for the time calculator. Then copy, come back here, to the time calculator, Control A to select everything, then press on delete, then Control V to paste. Now I've pasted it. Now let's run this once more. If I click on run, this is still loading. Okay, now I click on run. It's still giving me this. Okay, it works successful. There's no error. It works successful. The other one works and this one works. Okay, there's no error here. Python 3 main.py 1:08 a.m. next day, run 12 tests in this. Okay, it worked successful. Okay, now this is the shortcut you can do this. Okay, this is the shortcut of how you can just copy the block of code, paste it here and run it, then everything will work successful. Okay, if you are new to my channel, I'll please click on subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I upload a nice video like this. In case if you haven't done the arithmetic formatter, The link is on my description. The link for the shortcut this way, and the link for the full code. I teach there how you can write the full code of the arithmetic converter, how you can write the full code. Okay, the link is here on my description. The link for the full code of this, okay, time calculator, how you can write the full code without going to ChatGPT. I'm teaching that. The link is right on my description. Go there. The time calculator full coding is there. Okay, go there, get it, and then learn how to code and code this yourself without requesting from ChatGPT. Okay, if you find this video helpful, click on that like button. Click it now. Click on the like button. Then you can also follow me up, subscribe to my channel, follow me up for more tutorial like this. Okay.